Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. I just retired as a 26-year plus science teacher in high school. I taught chemistry and physics predominantly, did some engineering classes, forensics, a little bit of bio too. And here are some recommendations I have for STEM toys for kids. Now, it could be for the holidays, it could be birthdays, whatever. This is kind of old school with new school. So let's take a look. First of all, STEM, if you don't know what it means, it's science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Big push for it in the schools with students. It's great when they can get some outside inspiration as well. So here we go. Of course, you could always get a classic microscope for a kid, or for that matter, a telescope. Right? With microscopes, they're going to see things that they can't see with the naked eye. You're going to go ahead and open up a world that they can't see. At the same time, of course, with a telescope, now we can look out into the skies. Another idea, of course, are building sets, going beyond the Legos. Legos are obvious. They encourage creativity and problem solving, but then you have your erector sets, which are construction kits with engineering and promoting fine motor skills. You got your Tinker Toys, which of course are spatial in nature. Modeling kits, putting models together, are really cool to do with kids, and even snap circuits, where you got these electronic kits for hands-on introduction into circuits. As far as chemistry goes, there's simple chemistry experiments that you can buy, like crystal growing. That's a big one for kids. Again, you start with something really almost you can't see, and then of course it grows into bigger crystals. For math, I would recommend getting toys, whether that's cards, board games, puzzles, that don't have the word math on the box. There's a lot you can do with math with any of these, just even a deck of cards. That's the other thing. You can spend a lot of money or very little money. That's up to your budget. But certainly some basic board games, basic card games, you can promote math with those. Of course, there's STEM kits also now that are out on the web. I'm going to put links to a monthly subscription STEM kit website that I found. I'm going to put links to Amazon to some of the specific toys that I think are great. And of course, with any of these, double check if it's age appropriate and what adult supervision is required if necessary. Best of all, you're going to open up your child's mind or grandchild's mind. And if you can work with the child on whatever it is that you get them, you're giving the gift of your time. All the best. I hope you enjoy these suggestions, and happy holidays.